First method we are going to consider is using the solve function. So for the solve function, we have to define our variable x as a symbolic variable using sims. So I'll call x. So the next step is to define my equation. Let me call it x minus 30, then is equal to 0. So let me call my solution as x, and I will call my function solve. So solve can have more than 3 arguments, but the first 2 arguments are the critical arguments. That is the definition of your equation and definition of your variable. So the first one is the equation, which I define as eqn, and the second one is my defined variable, which is x. So if I run, so as you can see, I have my solution. X is equal to -2 or 1 or 3 or 5. So the second method is using the roots function. So for the root function, I have to define my v vector, a vector that contains the coefficient of the polynomials. So for my polynomial, the coefficient of x to the power 4 is 1. For x to the power 3 is -7. Then I have 5 for x to the power 2 and 31 for x and -30. For the constant. So I just have to let me call my solution y in this case, and I just have to put in roots and then b. So for this section, I just have to run the section, and as you can see, my y is 5, -2, 3, and 1. If you want to know to learn 3 methods that you can use to solve simultaneous equations in MATLAB, kindly watch the video on the screen. Please like the video if you learned something, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.